guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I'm going to do a new to me first impression indie makeup brand, and that is a CXC Beauty. This is their Out of Luck palette. I apologize, I was supposed to film with this over the weekend and have it up on St. Patty's Day, but things just didn't work out that way. But nevertheless, I'm going to be creating two looks with this palette, two full looks, two complete looks. So it's going to be like a first and second impression because I'm going to wear it today and I'm going to wear it again tomorrow. And we are going to see how this new to me indie makeup brand performs. Let's take a peek inside this Out of Luck palette. As of course you already know, it is inspired by St. Patty's Day. I hope all of you had a great St. Patrick's Day. But this is the beautiful green and gray and kind of a little bit grungy color story. In here, you're getting, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21 different shadows, a mixture of matte and shimmers. Not too sure if there's duochromes in here, but I do know that this palette is in stock right now on their website and it retails for $58. I think they have a discount code, which is CXC15, which will give you 15% off, I think. So if I can find that, I'll have it in the description box in case you want to pick this up and save yourself a little bit of money. Some of you did already ask me if I was going to pick this up, and here it is. I've just been waiting for the right time to film with it, and today is the day, and I have my green top on, so I'm ready to go. I'm really excited about this. Always excited to try and welcome new indie makeup brands into my stash. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steph. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, get ready with me style of videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're already a fan of CXC Beauty, or maybe you saw this floating around on Instagram and you're intrigued by the color story, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything that I'm wearing will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those things might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's start creating the first of two looks with the Out of Luck palette. If you guys want to see how this palette is going to perform, keep on watching. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the Bella Beauty Bar eyeshadow primer. So where should we begin with this one? We can go in so many different directions. I don't even necessarily have to do something green, although I think I will. This shade is really speaking to me, but I'm looking to maybe start with this shade and maybe save the gray for tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm going to start here with this one, and then I'm going to work my way into this one, and then perhaps the matte black, but then we also have like this matte brown and this deeper green. Not too sure yet, but these are the first two shades I'm going to be starting with. And I'm taking that first shade on my Game Beauty E01. And this will be the transition shade. Wow, that has some good pigment to it. Okay, I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter, but that's fine. That is a really pretty color. Really nice, nice soft green. Really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go into that brighter, more grungy green. And I'm taking that on my Sigma E25 Max. And you'll notice I'm going to focus this out here, the outer corner, as well as the lower portion of the crease. If you hear noises in the background, of course, it is sister, wide awake, playing with everything. She's been obsessed with a red Chick-fil-A straw. She has so many toys, and that's what she chooses. I'm going to go back in with the first shade. Just to add a little bit more up here, kind of towards the brow bone. Okay, so to deepen up the outer corner, I think I'm gonna go in with this one instead. I'm gonna try this shade over here. Now I'm gonna use my Refer 13. The formula seems to be pretty good. Let me know if you've tried this brand. What are your favorite palettes? What else do they have besides eyeshadow palettes? Because I saw this on Instagram and I was like immediately drawn to it. So I kind of really didn't even browse the website. I just went straight for this palette and ordered it. That's nice. That is some good pigment and it is blending so well with the other shades. All right, now for the lower lash line, let's see. I think I'm gonna do this green over here. Yeah, this one looks interesting on my Refer 26. I'm wearing gold jewelry, so I think I will do this gold shimmer that's in there on the lid. But you see, I'm leaving that inner corner free, and I think I'll do a green there. So I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer because this shade, I picked it up on the brush first, but I noticed it was a little flaky. So I'm going to use my what is this? A505 from BK Beauty just to apply the glitter primer here to the lid. Okay, now I'm going to take my Morphe M709 and just press this gold on top of that glitter primer. It's a very textured shade. But wow, it is beautiful. That is stunning. I love the way that looks. I'm going to add a little bit of that deeper green out here and into the crease just to lightly blend. Okay, I'm loving that, loving it, loving it. Now with my Refer 26, I am going to pick up, let's see, I'm going to pick up, this one has a nice green gold reflect to it. So I'm going to use this for the inner corner and I am going to spray the brush. That is perfect. Ooh, wow, talk about a great first impression. I'm going to pop off camera to finish the other eye and do the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. I am wearing Give by Gwen Stefani mascara. I did a little Beauty Bay eyeliner, just black on the top lash line, and for the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one was one of those special edition shades. It's called Jarna. But I love this. This is turning out to be a really good palette, a really good formula, but I still have one more look to create, and that will be tomorrow, but for you guys in a few seconds, so stay tuned. All right, so let's start creating the second look with the Out of Luck palette. I'm wearing like this beige shirt and black pants, so I want to try playing with the gray shades. I think I'm going to start with this shade over here and then work my way down here. This shade looks really good too. So does this one. We have the matte black, but let me start first with this one. And I'm using my Refer 14 Max for this shade. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit as well. Taking it high towards the brow bone and then outward. All right, I'm really liking the way that looks. Now I think instead of going in with this lighter gray, I think I'm going to go in with this one next. And I'm using a regular Refer 14 for this shade. I'm just going to blend it into the crease, also bring it into the outer corner as well. Now, I think instead of using the black, I'm going to go into this darker gray right here. And I'm using a Rephr 13. We'll use that to deepen up the outer corner and the lower portion of the crease. Now, I really want to use this shade, so I think I'm going to put this on the lid and then maybe do this one right here or this one. I think this one would match better with my shirt for the inner corner. I'm laying down some NYX glitter primer first. Now I'm going in with the BKA 505, same brush that I just used for the glitter primer. I love a sparkly gunmetal shade like this. Definitely when you're looking for a smoky eye, this is a good shade to choose. I'm going back in with the dark matte gray, the last matte shade that I used, just to help blend the shimmer shadow a little bit better. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'll go back in, let's see, or should I pop it with green? We could even do like this brown. You know what? Let me do this one. Taking it on a Rephr 26. Now on a Rephr 03, I'm going to go in with this shade right here for the inner corner, and I am going to spray the brush. Ooh, that is beautiful. Wow. Wow, that looks so cool. You know what I think I want to do though? I think I'm going to pick up a little bit of this shade and just pop it right here in the center. Oh yeah. Just a little something extra. Now I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and when I get back, I will show you guys this completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I love the way this look turned out. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with an LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner in the shade Blackout. I love it. Ooh, got a little bit of fallout there. I'll have to clean that up. But I didn't get to use every single shade, but I got to use enough to make a good assessment over this palette. So let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts, my first impression of CXC Beauty and the Out of Luck palette. Okay guys, so I had a really nice time with this Out of Luck palette, the Unlucky Leprechaun. This was the CXC Beauty launch for St. Patrick's Day, and I thought that they did a great job. I love this color story. You guys know I have a thing for green, so obviously I wanted to try this out. I thought this was a great palette for me to just explore the brand, try the brand with, and I was not disappointed at all. All of the shades are really good. I like that you're getting a matte black, a matte brown, you're getting grays and greens and golds and silvers. I love the mixture of shades and tones in this palette, as well as different textures. Some of the shimmers are smoother than others, and you know, I just think it's a good palette. It's in that hard plastic packaging, and I think I said it was $58. It's actually $59, and if I can find a discount code, I will have it in the description box, because I definitely think CXC Beauty is a must try for 2024. If you haven't already, I'm probably really late to the game on this brand, but if you have tried them before, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, let me know which look you like best. Were you team 1 or team 2? Did you pick this palette up? What are your thoughts? I'm gonna give this palette 2 thumbs up. I had a great time working with it, and I can't wait to try more from the brand. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.